We are back, guys, in the van for Halloween.
Finally.
Yep, so as you guys saw, we drove through Sedona. We're up at Pine Flat Campground.
Pine Flat Campground.
Pine Flat Campground. It's so beautiful here, and it's so much cooler than what it is down in Phoenix right now. So we are going to have a special dinner, and then we are going to carve up some pumpkins, and we are just going to have a relaxing night.
Yes. Hot and strainer. Sauce.
Mike, I don't think we'll use all of it when we have.
No fish peppers. That's it.
Yeah.
We literally just have raviolis. We didn't even bring any light greens.
Nope. Shit. Didn't even think of that.
I just thought of that.
Yeah.
But it is.
So our special meal, so if you go to Costco, they have these raviolis that are out of pumpkins and bats. Like, how cool is that? Like, pumpkins, bats. So we are going to have pumpkin bat ravioli tonight.
Yeah. I will get the salt.
Sounds good.
I really tried.
I know. So our little pumpkin and bat raviolis.
They're really cute. I hope they taste as good as they look.
I know. I hoop they don't taste good.
I know. So we didn't bring a backup meal.
No, we did not. I was about to say, I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to do that. So you should probably take about 4 or 5 minutes, I think,
Yeah. Well,
with our elevation and everything.
yeah, maybe 5 or 6.
Yeah,
We'll have to see.
because we'll cook them a little bit in the sauce too. Awesome. The camp host came by, checked us in, and he gave me a little necklace. He said he usually gives it to the kids, but we're so festive. And so the sauce that we use is Ryo's vodka sauce. I know everybody talks about it, but it's honestly one of the better ones. I don't hurt my stomach, and it's just all whole ingredients. So recommend it. The vodka sauce is great. Well, happy Halloween, guys. Cheers to pumpkin and bat raviolis and carving pumpkins. And it's cold and I forgot warm pants.
So did I.
Yep.
We're not used to it. It's still 90 at home.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Trying to get the local weather. Pretty sure it's like 60 something.
It says 64 for me right now.
Yep, sounds about right. And you guys are like, oh, that's not cold. Oh, that's cold Arizona.
You're used to 100.
Yep.
60 is cold. They're not bad. The cheese is a little lumpy.
I think it's ricotta, mozzarella, that's why.
I think you're right.
Yeah. It's the ricotta, that's why.
I was like, is it purple inside? No, the dye went into the cheese.
Yep. Yep. I mean, I don't know how much spookier you can get than eating bats on Halloween.
I can't believe we had to go twice to find them.
Yep. We went the last weekend in September, and they didn't have them. We went back last weekend, and we finally saw them.
Yeah.
And we snatched them up so quick.
I know. I was so excited.
And they're actually really good. We'll have to show you Chansey's in her pumpkin costume. So it's keeping her probably on the little toasty side because it's a little chilly.
Yeah. Well, she's a little baby too.
Yeah, she's definitely a desert dog. So.
Do you like one better than the other?
No, they actually both taste the same to me.
I mean, they taste the same, yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of like McDonald's nuggets. Like, do you like a different nugget shape better than the others?
Yeah. When it's like that tri-colored pasta too. It's like, it's really no different.
Yeah, it's the same. It's just a different food coloring.
Yeah. If anything, I like eating the bats the most.
I like the bats better too.
That's more fun. Because you can eat a pumpkin, you don't really want to eat a bat.
They're just skinnier, so they're easier to eat.
Got it. But it's nice because it's just a quick, simple dinner. And we used one pot for it. That's it.
Yeah. We did forget greens.
We did forget like a
Any
broccoli or
vegetable.
peas or something. We've been trying to be a lot better about that.
Yeah.
Adding some more fiber into our meals. So, unfortunately, forgot it. But we do have fiber in the context of popcorn tonight.
Yeah.
So,
Popcorn's a vegetable, right?
yeah, we'll work with that. We really tried to find just caramel apples at the store, and all they had was the fancy ones, and we weren't really into that.
Yeah, like with caramel with like peanuts and coconut and chocolate chips. I'm like,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, it was way too much.
No. Eventually, we'll find one.
All right, guys, we're going to finish up eating, and then we are going to start carving our little pumpkins.
You pumpkin? Hi. Oh, big stretch. Good girl. Can you sit down nice? Chansey? No. Okay.
Okay.
Stabby tools.
Stabby tools. Stabby tools. Which one do you want? I don't care which one I get.
I'll take this one, the curly stem.
Okay. Do you want to... Nope. I was going to say, do you want to put the trash can right there?
Nope.
But she's
Yeah, no.
rubbing herself.
Nope. Do not.
Stabby tools. We got all the lights.
With new batteries.
With new batteries.
What else we got in there?
We got a lot of stuff.
We got lots of things.
Yeah, we do.
Like some things we didn't wash.
Oh, we definitely did not wash that.
Yeah, we did not.
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Oh, we got
It just went in the cup.
eyeliner.
I think that was to draw. That's what Mom used.
Oh, okay.
That's what Mom used.
I'm like, this ain't mine.
Yeah. Because here's another crown.
Oh, crayon.
Yeah, to draw on.
Interesting.
Yeah. So I'm getting this one?
Yeah.
Okay. I want orange, you get green.
Sure.
Okay.
We'll see how this goes.
I cut a hole big enough for
A hand?
your hand.
I know, I'm like, how is this gonna work?
I got this. I did such a good one.
I know. 2 years
2
ago?
years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did a unicorn.
Was that, did we do pumpkins last year?
It was the year that Nora was born.
So she's 2.
Yeah, it was 2 years ago.
Yeah, 2 years
Yeah, because
ago.
we went up to the pumpkin farm.
Was it?
Yeah.
It was 2 years ago.
Yeah.
We didn't do anything last year.
Nope.
Pumpkin wise.
No, we did trick or treating.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
gave out candy.
We
Which
gave
was
out
fun.
candy. You just gotta stab it.
Well, I don't know how.
Well, make the hole first, and then if you need to make a bigger hole, right, you can just kind of carve it.
Yeah,
right?
but then you can't put the top back on. It'll fall in.
It'll be fine.
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I can already smell the pumpkin.
I know. They're so baby.
Yeah, they are. Do you use this one?
No.
I use this one really well.
No.
Okay.
Good.
Should have cut my hole bigger. Oh, that's gonna be rough. I feel like mine's a little
I
bit.
got like a finger's worth.
I'm just really trying to like.
Carve it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Well, my walls are so thick.
Yeah.
Like,
well,
it's
because
a good inch.
you didn't go up and down. You went diagonal.
Well, yeah, I got it.
Chansey, no.
I got it. Don't worry.
Okay.
I know how to do this.
Okay.
Maybe.
I mean, hey. Doesn't always need a top, right?
That's fine.
So we had to put these in the refrigerator on the way up because it's still so hot down in Phoenix. If we would have just left them in the van,
They would have got
it would have
bad.
melted so quick.
I know.
So they're just a little cold.
I mean, it's a little cold out here too. My hands are cold.
I know, my hands are
And I
already
haven't
cold.
even done anything yet.
Other than hold a cold pumpkin. Well, I don't even want to know what you're doing. Oh my god.
Like, that's what I'm doing. I carve pumpkins in my lap, and I don't want to keep hitting this.
It's too big.
What's
We had to change positions because someone has to sit with their legs crossed.
just not right to
When-
do it any other way.
I don't know why.
It's just
I really don't remember you doing that back at home.
I did. I sat in the chair like this. at home.
Oh, you sat in the chair.
And I had the pumpkin on my lap, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't sit on the table at home, no, but I can't. I'm gonna fall off of that.
Yeah. Will I be able to get it out? Probably not. These weren't meant for little pumpkins, that's for sure.
No, these are made for the honkin' big ones,
Yeah.
for sure.
I think everybody that's driving by is jealous.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I definitely think the camp host is.
I know, right? Alright, we're gonna use some eyeliner.
Okay, make out your shapes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a freckle pumpkin.
You do.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably as good as it's gonna get.
Yeah, I can't get mine like that.
Not the same ones, but the same, like, template.
We'll see.
How do you sit? Yeah. But I'm going for, like, funny. You're going for, like, scary.
I'm always gonna go for scary.
Oh, shit. Oh, I didn't close this more than I think.
Yeah, we're just gonna go with that and I'm gonna figure out the mouth later. Yeah. Get the precision tools. That's all I got so far. Yours already looks way better than mine.
Those both turned out great.
This is pretty much your guys' reminder to go out and just have some fun.
Yes. No matter how old you are, just do it.
Yep. So I will say the only bad thing about this campsite is we are right next to the 89A. I mean, but you can't beat the views, and at nighttime it is very quiet here.
It is. Just during the day, you
Yeah.
have a lot of traffic.
Yeah.
Like, it's right there. You can see the cars
Yeah.
through the, like, few trees in between.
Yeah. It's one of the very few places that you can go in Sedona either and actually get a place to camp.
Yeah. Well, if you're lucky.
Yeah, if you're lucky. We just happened to snag this. Don't know how, but we did.
I know.
Well, so far this is what I got. See how this goes.
I'm trying to poke mine through. It doesn't want to go.
Poke it out.
Well, it's already going in, so.
Okay. Yeah, well, with these you want to poke out. Yeah, see?
Okay.
A lot easier.
Eyeball.
Yep. All right. What do you guys think? Feel like it's not too bad for a small pumpkin. Yours looks so much better than mine.
They both look good. Look at my piece I dropped. And put my shoes back on.
Yep. Alright, you guys, comment down below. Do you like Amanda's better? Or do you like Whitney's better? Which one? Which one do you think looks the best? I'm gonna say Amanda.
They're both cute.
No, yours is cuter.
Oh. It's alright. Take it.
so we can just flip the rest of that foot good. So we are heading to bed now. We had a great night carving pumpkins, sitting by the fire. It was really nice to be back in the van, being back from Amsterdam and Hawaii. It's just nice to settle down. So we will see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so we are awake, we're heading back home. Nothing too exciting this morning, just a pretty simple video of carving some pumpkins, getting out, being festive, eating some good food.
Doing something fun, and finally being back in the van.
Yeah. So if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know who had the best pumpkin. I'm still interested to know.
Yep.
And we will catch you guys on the next one.